YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we are going to experiment with the substring property. So say we have a variable called something over here, and it's set to and then we want to just get portions of it. Probably we just want to print out just the first character. So we can go about it like this. So let's set this to characters. Okay, to be equal to something the substring. So when we set 0 and then say 1, we'll get the very first character. So when we run this, we'll get H. So the 0 is the starting point, the 1 is the end point. So we can have it print the first 5 characters and it will work the same. And if we remove the 0 from there and test it out, it will start from the 5th character and print the rest. So that's what a substring does for JavaScript. And in some other languages, when you provide the negative number, it will start from the right to the left. So let's see what JavaScript does. So we can have let's say 12 characters from the right. So it starts counting from here: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So that's a very simple tutorial just to experiment or show you how the substring that works. In some cases, some people may decide to do something like this: something dot length minus 12. So it should simply subtract. It's just the same thing as providing the negative 12, and then it will do that. But when we provide, say, 0, negative 12, let's see what JavaScript does. It simply does nothing. So when the reason why nothing is happening is because JavaScript registers this as 0 instead of like negative 12. In some other languages, it will still give you the 12 characters from the right of the string. So there we have it. You can play with it as much as you need and it will work perfectly. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you've been fighting on how to print characters from the right to the left, this is how to go about it. So you simply provide a negative value for the substring in JavaScript. It works same in TypeScript as well, and to print the characters. See you next time.